So I'm sure I've seen a lot of meme coins pumping hard and printing a lot of money in cryptocurrency like Pepe and stuff like that, and this is not new in crypto. But what if I tell you that this week we're gonna have meme coins launching on Bitcoin? And this is actually the biggest opportunity because we don't have meme coins on Bitcoin. And in this video we're gonna go through all the meme coins, and you're gonna have to dive into these coins as early as possible before the launch and before anyone else start talking about all these coins. So let's dive right into it. Alright, so let's talk about how exactly we're going to take advantage of these massive meme coins that will be launched on top of Bitcoin, and how is it connected to Bitcoin halving. So if you don't know what Bitcoin halving is, well, this is an event that happens each and every 4 years where rewards that goes to miners are cut in half, effectively limiting the supply of Bitcoin. So again, going back to the demand and supply, when there's too much supply, the price drops, and when there's too much demand, the price increases. So I'm not here to talk about Bitcoin halving events and stuff like that. I'm here to talk about Bitcoin upgrade, the RUNES protocol, which is going to allow the creation of meme coins on top of Bitcoin. And this is the reason why this is very, very bullish, because we have never had meme coins created on top of Bitcoin. We have seen a lot of coins like Pepe and all other coins created on top of Solana, and you have seen how these coins performed. You know what I mean? So this is gonna be the first time whereby meme coins will be created on top of Bitcoin. And the reason why I think that this is very, very bullish, let me show you this prediction, right? All right, guys, so let me explain to you why do I think that this upgrade, Bitcoin upgrade, is very, very important, which is called the RUNES protocol. Because RUNES protocol is going to allow the creation of meme coins on Bitcoin blockchain, and this has never been happened before. We're going to try to compare Solana blockchain and meme coins that were created on top of Solana, and we're gonna also try to compare Bitcoin itself. You know what I mean? So basically you can see that right here we have got Bitcoin market cap, which is currently sitting at 1.3 trillion, and right here we have got Solana market cap, which is currently sitting at 77 billion. You know what I mean? So right now you can see that the Solana meme coin market cap is only like 10%, and that's giving us 77 billion. You know what I mean? So with only 10%, you have seen Pepe coins and all those meme coins exploding like that with only 10%, and they only had like 77 billion market cap. What if we get 10% on Bitcoin meme coins? That's gonna give us the market cap of over 130 billion. You know what I mean? So you can just imagine how much money is gonna be pouring into these meme coins, and how high can these meme coins will go. So make sure you watch the whole video to the very end, because we're gonna go through all these meme coins, and I'm gonna show you all the meme coins that will be created on top of Bitcoin. And these whole meme coins will be available, or will be possible to be created, because of this RUNES protocol. So with only 10%, it's gonna give us over 130 billion pouring into these meme coins. And you can just imagine that, you know, we're gonna go very, very high, because we can just compare what has been happened before with Solana meme coins. You know what I mean? So if we get 1% on Bitcoin meme coins, that's gonna be 13 billion market cap. It's gonna outperform Solana meme coins that has been there for a very long time, and right now it's only sitting at 7.7 billion. So this is very, very important, and this is why I'm also recording this video, so that you guys can also take advantage of these meme coins and the RUNES protocol that's going to be happening. So basically right now you can see that these meme coins will be launched on Bitcoin halving event. So there's a lot of going on. A lot of people are predicting that the price of Bitcoin might skyrocket and stuff like that because of this Bitcoin halving. But I think that we're just going to be trading sideways for now, and then we're going to see an increase. So let's go straight to these meme coins, and then I'm going to show you all these meme coins so that you guys can also prepare to buy these meme coins. And I'm going to show you where exactly you can buy all these Bitcoin meme coins that will be created on top of Bitcoin network. So if you go to CoinGecko right now, you can see that this is the market cap and stuff like that. So we're going to have to go to where it's written cryptocurrencies and click categories, and you're going to find all these meme coins that will be created on top of Bitcoin under categories, right? So you're gonna go to where it's written chains, and you're gonna scroll down and look for Bitcoin chain. So right here you can see that we have got Ethereum chain, Tron, BNB, and stuff like that, but we are only focusing on our Bitcoin chain. That's gonna allow the creation of meme coins and stuff like that. So these are all meme coins that will be launched on top of Bitcoin. So you can see that the number one coin that is trending right now is Perps, and followed by this one. And these are only coins that are available right now as I'm recording this video, because we say that this new coin is going to be launched during the halving event. So I also got this other shit that I want to show you in this video, and this is very important because this is going to list all the coins that will be created on top of Bitcoins, including the meme coins and the runes and stuff like that. So these are all coins that are available right now, and you can be able to trade all these coins. You can see that you can click right there and click to markets, and it's going to show you where exactly you can trade these coins. Right now you can trade it on CoinW, and also the link to CoinW is also going to be in the description below as well, and all these other crypto exchanges. So these coins are available as I'm recording this video, but coins that are not available are these ones. And right now you can see that this is the RUNES market cap, and all these coins will be created on top of Bitcoin blockchain. You know what I mean? So if you want to check out this shit, I'll also leave the link in the description below as well, or you can just go to this site where it's written runesmarketcap.com, and you can be able to see all this list. So right now the number one coin that a lot of people are hyping and stuff like that is called RUNES, and right now this RUNES is not available, and followed by RUNEArthur, and this is the second one, and a lot of people are really having these coins. And third one is RSIC. So I suggest that as soon as these coins get launched on these exchanges, or including decentralized exchanges, you better get some of these coins and then just hold, and you're gonna be early adopter of these meme coins and stuff like that. I've seen a lot of people making a lot of money, millions and stuff like that, with Pepe and the rest of the meme coins. But this is gonna be an opportunity for us. We're gonna be early adopters on these meme coins, and we're also gonna make money and stuff like that. We have seen a lot of people made a lot of money with NFTs, and which is not bad, guys. I mean, a lot of people made a lot of money with NFTs, RUNES NFTs and everything, because they're already launched and they're getting airdrops, right? You can find those RUNES NFTs on Magic Eden. Oh, my network is slow. But anyway, this video was not about NFTs. I'm not really big fan of NFTs. I just wanted to show you these coins that will be launched soon, so that you guys can also take advantage of these coins as soon as possible. So the link to this site is also going to be in the description below as well, so that you guys can also check out all these coins. You can see we've got Wizards here, and it's already being traded, or is already traded right now. You can see it has pumped over 28% within 1 hour, and within 24 hours it has pumped up to 61%. So this is like the game changer, guys. So if you enjoy this kind of videos about coins and stuff like that, make sure you leave a like button, and you subscribe to the most profitable channel, and leave a comment. Let me know, guys, what you think. Should we continue with this kind of videos, or we should just stick to the education purposes video and stuff like that? So this is it. My name is Arthur. All the links gonna be in the description below. Therefore, I'll send the video. Love and peace, guys. Cheers.